Welcome to GEPL Pro Markets app. In today's session, you will learn how to block the shares and funds if you are a Bank of India client. Now, you can see you are on the home page. In order to block the funds, you need to go to the second last option where your client code is visible in the bottom. Click on your client code and then go to funds. Once you click on add fund and enter the amount that you want to block, click on submit. You can see since 100 rupees was already there in the margin, now I've added 100 more, so now 200 is visible over here. So this is how you can add funds if you are looking to buy any securities. Now if you are looking for selling some shares and you can't see your holdings, you need to go to portfolio tab, which is visible in the middle, in the center, on the bottom. Click on holdings, which is there on the top right, and then Bank of India holdings will be visible on the top of holdings. So once you click on Bank of India, it will ask you to go to the browser, and now your holdings are visible. Now let us assume that I am looking to sell one share of Yes Bank. So I'll mark Yes Bank and I'll put one quantity. Once you click on mark, it will ask you to go back. So just go back to the app, and now you can see since GeoFinance, Bank of India and SGVN were already there and Yes Bank was not there, now Yes Bank is visible. So now your holdings will be visible on the holdings tab, and you can simply click on the particular script that you are looking to sell and accordingly execute the sell order. Thank you.